Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lollies necklace. First, gather your supplies: a variety of individually wrapped lollies, a long piece of sturdy string or ribbon, and a sharp pair of scissors. Ensure your string is strong enough to hold the weight of the lollies and long enough to fit comfortably around a neck. This fun craft is perfect for parties or as a unique, edible gift. Let's get started on this sweet and simple project. Now, let's prepare your lollies. Take each individually wrapped lolly and carefully unwrap just one end of its wrapper. You want to create a small opening without fully exposing the candy. This opening will be used to thread your string through, keeping the lolly secure and hygienic. Repeat this process for all the lollies you plan to use. Next, it's time to thread your necklace. Take your string and carefully push one end through the small opening you made in the lolly wrapper. Guide the string all the way through the wrapper until it emerges from the other side. Once threaded, slide the lolly down the string to your desired position. Repeat this step with all your lollies, spacing them evenly. To finish your delightful lolly necklace, simply bring the two ends of your string together and tie them securely. Make sure the knot is tight enough to hold all the lollies in place without slipping. You can double knot it for extra security. Your edible necklace is now ready to wear or share. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.